This material is a panel application made from a polyethylene, and as we can see, this material that is installed here is possibly made from a substandard polyethylene. The whole theory with a root barrier is to prevent tree roots from going or through the barrier, which could be a problem here, and keeping the walkways safe. The tree roots will get underneath the sidewalk, it will cross and create a lift, therefore making a hazard for the pedestrian. This is one of many locations throughout this project. Directly in front of the Fry's sign, we'll find panel material that they're still working on. You can see just how these connections just simply pull apart. Directly in front of 3355 La Palma. The bonding of the material itself to the panel, the ribs that you can see here, away from the panel, not to mention the problem with the connectors, as you can see here. This will be hit and miss probably through this whole project. This is two areas and less than 50 yards apart where we have breakdown on the material. This is directly across from 3380 La Palma. A problem when the panels actually in the connections tear. It tends to break when it's under any type of a pressure, and this probably happened during the backfill. As you can see here. This type of fracture is pretty common when you use a contaminated material, and as you can see, what happens with the material, it begins to crack at the connection, and when that happens, it'll fracture all the way down the panel, making it an issue where the roots could get through the panel, as you can see here. Usually it runs in. The clearance is supposed to be a minimum of 6 inches on the material here, and as we can see, clearly rib to rib, this is 5.5 inches.